Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Tim in Michigan on the Stryker SR-955HP. Tim, we got it ready to go for you, bud. Let's get right to it. Do a full tune and alignment on it. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug, 2 watts, 100-watt slug, roll it all the way up, 16 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello, 42 bird. Peak power. Hello, 82 peak. Roll the carrier down to 2 watts. Hello, 82 peak. Alright, my friend, it's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump bump.